is an ultimate gadget. It can even help you do your makeup. I can do my makeup so fast! Oh no! My eyeliner! Call 911! I'm dying! The makeup first responders team is here to help. Miss, please calm down. We'll take care of you. Nurse, disinfect the wing. Remove the eyeliner. Cleanse the upper tonal layer. Prepare the beauty blender. Oh no! Falling is unacceptable. This is a sterile operation. Doctor, here! Take my headphone case. I always keep my beauty blender in there so it doesn't get dirty. What an excellent life hack from our poor victim. Let's continue the operation. Ladies and gentlemen, we are proud to introduce our newest phone, a universal smartphone for beauty queens. It has a built-in selfie camera and eyeshadow palette. This is cutting-edge technology. Color an eyeshadow palette with acrylic paint. Cover the bottom and the edges with gold and the lid with black. Apply a layer of acrylic polish on top. Glue on a picture of cameras. Use a black pen to draw ports and speakers. Attach a printed picture of a phone screen to the lid. Add the logo. This eyeshadow phone has so many special features. One palette will last for up to a year of unlimited usage, and it comes in multiple colors. If you order the eyeshadow phone now, you'll get free wireless headphone brushes as a bonus gift. Trim a broken makeup brush and glue it to broken headphones. Decorate the connection with a ribbon. Use multi-purpose glue. These brush headphones are comfortable and easy to use and transport. You can listen to your favorite beauty podcast and do your makeup all at once. This is a revolutionary step in uniting the worlds of tech and beauty. Stay with us. After the break, we've got a microblending mouse and a tablet for waxing. The makeup of the future! You put your makeup on and control everything from a special app on your tablet. Your eyeliner didn't turn out straight? No big deal! Just take your Apple Eyeliner Pencil and erase any mistakes from your tablet. Coat a white eyeliner pencil with acrylic paint. Trace a pencil case on a piece of fake leather. Cut it out with a utility knife. Poke holes for a thread using an awl and sew the two halves together. Attach a strip of metallic tape to the pencil and put the pencil in the case. What a great idea! One pencil for all your devices, for your eyes and for your tablet. Super convenient! Agent 0027 is on a secret mission. Everything is going according to plan. I'm in the building! I'll powder the alarm. I'm in location. 5 minutes until contact with target. I'm fully prepared, and I'll even have time to do a little makeup. Attach buttons made out of pink foam paper to a container of highlighter. Cover the box with acrylic paint. Paint on details and color the lid with black paint. Attach a printed picture of an Apple Watch screen. Cover it with clear nail polish. Scratch the Apple logo out on the highlighter using a template. Pour lighter colored highlighter into the logo. Press it down. Cut a watch strap out of metallic foam paper. Glue details onto the foam paper and attach the strap to the watch. Poke holes with an awl. Make a fastener out of foam paper and a circle out of metallic tape. This spy watch has everything you could ever want, even a highlighter app. And here's the target. The spy is on a date? Hi, honey. I'm so happy to see you. I'm crazy about photography. And here's just what I ordered. An extremely rare new camera for my collection. Limited edition. The only model ever made. Let's see. The box is a little strange. This isn't what I wanted. It's kind of soft. This isn't a camera. It's a pink makeup bag. Cut pieces like this out of foam paper. Cut the lower edges in a zigzag shape. And hot glue a makeup bag together. Cut a hole in the upper piece and glue in a zipper. Trim the upper edge of the makeup bag and glue in a piece like this. Make a round viewfinder out of foam paper. Draw a lens using a compass. Color the lenses with a black permanent marker. Label the camera. Attach a flash indicator made out of foam paper and cut a flash out of metallic tape. Draw in the details. I guess this is what happens when you order stuff from unverified sites. But I could use this soft gadget too. I've always wanted an Instax makeup case. Stupid thief! You think you stole a cool new speaker from my backpack? But when you look closer, you'll realize that everything is not what it seems. Crush up some broken bronzer. Spray it with rubbing alcohol. Press it down. Color the container with acrylic paint. Attach tool to the lid. Cut it along the circle. Cover the edges with a strip of foam paper. Glue on a printed logo. Cut buttons out of foam paper. Attach a carabiner to a foam paper loop. What the? I stole a broken speaker? Bad luck, thief! This isn't a speaker, it's makeup! Well, at least I have some bronzer now! Hey, blue-eyed girl! Whoa, what's this new device? It charges my whole life! My phone and my watch and my earbuds all at once! Plus, it doubles as a lip balm! Take a broken EOS lip balm out of the container. Melt it in the microwave. Clean out the container. Remove the grid. Put it on the cap. Pour the melted EOS inside. Close it. Let it cool. Cover the EOS container with light clay. Make the shape of a portable charger. Once the clay hardens, color it with acrylic paint. Attach strips of metallic tape. Draw on ports and details. Attach a foam paper logo. Cut the clay along the lid.
Wow!
Hey, your cord fell off! I knew this magic battery wasn't real, but I gotta hand it to you. I've never seen lip balm like this before. Did you like our makeup gadgets? Then comment below and tell us which one you can't wait to use. An EOS portable charger, a bronzer speaker, a watch with highlighter, or a beauty phone. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any new makeup ideas from Troom.